Hey everybody, today we are going to install the Honda cargo net in the back of a CRV. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please stick around the end and let us know what model year CRV you have and if you would use this cargo net. This is the back cargo area of the CRV. Ours happens to be a 2022, and see, this is a genuine Honda part. So we're going to unwrap this and then put it in. We do have a few items, as any family probably does, in the back of their cargo area, along with these stay holds from WeatherTech and our WeatherTech liner. So we'll see how this works with our additional accessories. After unwrapping it and getting it out of the package, pulled the instructions. It does come with these 4 clips and the cargo net, which do get installed in each of the 4 corners. So I'm going to do that now. Now that all 4 are installed, what we're going to do is install these into the rear clips. Because of our WeatherTech cargo liner, they're actually underneath there. So I'm going to have to lift that up and install these like so, and then lay that flat under the liner. The front snaps go in this area right here, and as you can tell, I clearly need to vacuum at some point soon, and those just go right there. Once installed, this is how it'll look to keep everything snug down should you have bulky items under there. It's extremely taut, which is really nice. I will say, for storage, I'm going to show you something I did especially with the cargo liner that I found really useful. So the first thing is, I used instead, just for quick storage, the child latch brackets for the rear clips, mainly because it was making the cargo liner stick up and wouldn't lay flat. So when we reload this with stuff that we don't need the net for, it'll sit flatter. The other thing is, we're not presently in need of it, and so I just like to store it until we do. It comes with this center point. I'm going to go ahead and fold that and then clip the front clips to that also, and then nicely place it against the back of the seat so it's there when we need it, but out of the way when we don't. And then there it is, clipped and tied down. Now this works for us because while we do have a booster in the car, we don't have a car seat or a baby seat that requires those back anchors. So if you don't have that type of car seat, you'll be all right, but if you are using those for safety purposes, you'd have to store it a different way. Now with everything back in, you don't even notice that the cargo net's there, but it's there should you need it. I will say, getting these and having the liner keeps everything securely in place. It's extremely tacky in a good way, so it holds everything down. And then these are amazing for groceries, especially cases of pop, beer, anything else you may have that would roll freely in the back of a car. Thanks for stopping by. We hope you found this video useful. Please let us know. Take care and all our best.